Please answer that, that's your mom. Please answer that, that's your mom. Please answer that,
Hello?
that's your... Muscle wagwan.
What's up?
Not a thing, where you there?
Outside?
So wait there, is why you sound so clear you not have on the mask?
Oh, no, I'm not on the mask.
Tanpal, Felicia, Marshall, why you not have on the mask? Them they say you must wear mask when you not go outside.
I don't feel like wearing a mask, mommy.
Oh, you know why wear mask? You want coronavirus itch up in your batty wall, eh?
I want coronavirus itch up in my back.
You want it itch up in your left titty, eh? You want it itch up in your left titty? Put on the blouse and skirt mask because
Okay,
you're not coming to my house and come give it to me. You hear me? Because you don't know who outside have it. Alright, ma'am. Alright, ma'am. Yeah, man, don't put it on. You can go where your dirty poopa yard go stay. When him and the thinking we've gal over the all them name a ton can meal because she can't cook. Goodbye.